The streak plate method is a simple method for diluting a bacterial culture to obtain single colonies just using one agar plate. We start by selecting our culture, so we'll use a wire loop and we sterilise that into the flame, okay, making sure it's red hot. Once it's sterile, leave it to cool for about 5 to 10 seconds. If you put it straight into the bacterial culture, the wire will be so hot that you'll kill the bacteria. So don't wave it around, just leave it to cool 5 to 10 seconds. Once we've done that, we need to select our culture. Now, simply just dip the loop into the culture, bring it back out, and you have collected a very fine film of culture in the loop. And we just need to touch that onto the agar plate and just rub it out slightly into a little dot. And go back and sterilise our loop again. So nice and red hot, let it cool. Now what we're going to do now is, starting in that original spot of culture, I'm going to draw 4 or 5 streaks out across the top of the plate. So the loop's cool, so turn the plate back over, find the original spot, and just using very little pressure, just take the loop and just streak out 4 or 5 times from that original spot across the plate. Again, once you've done that, we'll sterilise the loop, turn the plate, and this time I'm going to draw the streaks out from where the first set ended. So exactly the same principle, just 4 or 5 separate streaks going away. Again, flaming the loop, just turning the agar plate again. You can't see the culture, but you will be able to see the impressions that your loop makes. So again, from the ends of your last streaks, 4 or 5 streaks out, down and across the plate. Then for the final streak, again, turn the plate so you're at the end of your previous streaks, and this time we're just going to draw the streaks out into the middle of the plate and just up to the top, making sure you don't go back into your original culture. So now, sterilise your loop for the final time. And that's your streak plate, and hopefully once you've incubated that, you should be able to see individual bacterial colonies towards the end of your streak. In effect, you're diluting out your culture as you streak it around the agar plate.